Is being an electrician in Chile well paid? On average, an electrician in Chile earns around 11,400 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax. But after tax, this drops to $10,600, which leaves you with roughly $883 each month in take-home pay. While that is the country average, working in Santiago brings home about $12,500 after tax because big cities pay more, though higher living costs there often take away that extra gain. On top of that, an entry-level electrician salary in Chile starts below this amount, but your electrician wages go up fast in early years before they level off. That is why many people get a university degree, as extra education leads to higher electrician income and opens paths into roles like electrical project manager or chief maintenance engineer. How much does an electrician make in Chile also depends on who hires you, so small local firms pay less, while international companies offer the highest average electrician pay.